We're in one of the greenhouse.
Sorry.
Hello, everybody.
You caught us. We're stealing all your veg.
Hey, no bueno, amigo, no bueno.
We're Eamon and Beck, and we live in our self-converted Sprinter van. We travel around in it. We're originally from Canada, like Rodrigo said, but we've been down in Baja for a month and a half and absolutely loving our time here. It's an incredible place, so we're really excited to be here.
We've just come down to the ranch and we're getting a full tour of this beautiful garden, all the fresh veg. We're gonna make an amazing salad.
Look at this already! It's so vibrant and beautiful. My carrots are dangling from the bottom. I can't wait. I'm so excited. You guys, look at all these tomatoes! This looks amazing. It's so This salad looks abundant and beautiful and colorful, and we're just chopping up together and making lunch. It looks